Hello friends, welcome back again. Friends, today I am going to share with you this plan. This plan size is 15 feet by 23 feet. 15 feet is the width of this plan and 23 feet is the depth of this plan. So you can see that in front of this house there is a one road of 30 feet wide, and this is the balcony projection of our house. So we'll go inside our house just below of this balcony, and this is the main gate of our building. So this is 4 feet wide, 4 feet wide, 7 feet wide this gate. And as we enter in this house, we can see that there is a one window size is 5 feet by 5 feet. This is the big window for this house. So the outside light, natural light, will be go inside our house with the help of this window. So as we enter in our building, so there is the one kitchen and hall is designed by me. So there the size of this hall is 12 feet 2 inch is the length, and this direction, from this wall to this wall 14 feet 2 inch. So it's a big hall, and just we can use as a guest room. So there's a one stair is going upside from this way. So this stair width is 2 feet 6 inch, and will go up from this way, and will come here, and after that we will reach here at our first floor. The staircase trade is 9 inch, and riser will be 7 inch as per the design. I designed this staircase. So there is the one kitchen, open kitchen is there. You can see that there this line is the open kitchen line. So this kitchen length is 7 feet from this wall to this wall, here to here. I put one here gas stove, and one pot wash sink here we can use. And this direction, this is this wall, from this wall this 6 feet 6 inch. This is the open modern kitchen. So whatever the smoke will be here, so it will be go outside from with the help of this window. So now we will go in our bedroom. This is one gate, one door size is 3 feet by 7 feet, and with the help of this door we'll enter in our bedroom size is 10 feet by 10 feet. I place one bed here 6 feet by 6 feet, and just right side of this bedroom I designed one toilet and bathroom. This is common toilet and bathroom, combined toilet and bathroom. This 6 feet is the length, and 3 feet 9 inch is the width of this toilet, and 2 feet 7 inch is the door width, and 7 feet will be the height of this door. And this is the toilet and bathroom. And just in this corner you can see that there is one shaft I designed. Shaft size is 3 feet 9 inches is the length, and 3 feet 1 inch is the width. Shaft is that here when we will cast our slab, so we will open this area. We will not put slab here, so this will be open. So for this bedroom I place one window here. Window size is 3 feet by 4 feet, and whatever the natural light will come inside this shaft. So when we'll open our window, so natural light will go inside our bedroom. And there is one ventilation also designed for the toilet. Whatever the smoke whatever the smell is here in the toilet area, so this will be go outside with the help of this ventilation into the shaft, and it will go out. So now we will talk about the column sizes and wall sizes. So this is the one side open plot, and other rest 3 sides are already blocked, already buildings are there. So this wall sizes I design in this house is 5 inches. 5 inches wall I design for internal walls and external wall also. Both are 5 inches. And this black color, you can see that this is the dark black color. This is the column of our house. So I design here 7 columns. So it's all columns are aligned, and so we'll put our beams here. Beam sizes will be 9 inch by 12 inch. All this column will tie with the beams. Beam sizes will be 9 inch by 12 inch until first floor. If you are going to make above floor, so this column sizes and beam sizes will be changed. So if this plan is okay for you, so please like and please subscribe my channel. So see you next in the next video. Bye bye, take care, thank you very much.